So we have several offerings in maintenance. So our two main programs are either a monthly maintenance program or a weekly maintenance program.
So the monthly maintenance is one that we typically say they have some way of doing ongoing maintenance on their property on a weekly basis on their own.
Correct.
Right? So it could be the teenager who's mowing, or it could be the gardener that just loves to garden and wants to get out there and do things. But it's too much for them to do it all every week.
Need some help with the heavy lifting, right?
Yeah.
That major weeding, the proper pruning, the spade edging of the beds that is, just perfect, right? Those are all a little higher skill pieces too that not every homeowner has the ability.
Right. So on a weekly basis, I know that our crew will go in and weed any weeds. They will look to clean up any debris, blow off paved surfaces. They will look at pruning to see if something has shot a big spurt of new growth that needs to be taken off, or a little bit of deadheading. It's a general cleanup of the site to make it look acceptable. And then we actually mow as a final step on our monthly service. But that's mainly just to clean it all up and to make it look polished.
Yeah, for sure. It's an easy way to clean up. The lawnmower works kind of like a leaf blower.
Yeah.
But on the lawn.
Right.
So it just gets it all tidy. And the difference when we go to a weekly program is that we're doing all those things, but now we're not doing them just one day a month. We're doing them every week when we're on site. Mm-hmm. So the weed that got, the weed that was this high, the weed that wasn't there the month before is now this high.
Right.
Whereas we're catching the weeds and they're this high.
Yeah.
So it just keeps it constantly clean. And we're doing all the lawn care work.
Yep.
So we're taking care of fertilizations and weed control and weekly mowing.
I think the big benefit to having our crews there, we can see if something is a little bit too wet or a little bit too dry or something that is declining and what's going on with that. Nowadays, insects, diseases, you never know. And we're that trained eye to say, this isn't right. We need to figure this out.
I was with our client, Jen, from Wheaton last week. And we were talking about just her experience with Hursthouse and all of that. And she says, yeah, well, Thursday's my maintenance day. And, I go to the gym first thing in the morning. And then when I'm coming home, I see the orange and gray truck in front of the house. And it just makes me just explode inside because I'm all excited because I know that when they're wrapping up, when Oscar and his team are wrapped up, it's just going to be better.